Hey guys, Stuart here. Welcome back to another Sheetify CRM tutorial. Today's focus is to dive into Sheetify Bookkeeping, and in particular, 3 powerful new updates to our invoice and quote generator. This is a huge update that I know you'll all love. You can now generate an invoice or quote, and in one click, send that invoice or quote to your customers. Also, once an invoice is paid, you can copy that data into the income sheet. Not only this, but you can now convert quotes into invoices instantly. These powerful workflows and updates will reduce your manual accounting tasks. Now, if you're completely new to our Sheetify Bookkeeping toolkit, I will add a full dedicated tutorial down below in the description that will help you get familiar with all the different tools and features that you can access inside Sheetify Bookkeeping. Now, if you're completely new to the invoice and quote generator, I will link a video that shows you how to quickly set up and use the invoice and quote generator. This video I'm going to walk through today will essentially cover the additional features that you can now do once you set up the invoice and quote generator. Okay, so inside this updated Sheetify Bookkeeping template, let's navigate down to Invoices, and this is where all your generated invoices will appear. The same as with quotes, and this is where you'll find all your generated quotes. Now with both quotes and invoices, if we navigate across, you can locate the quote URL and the quote ID. Now the quote URL will take you to the invoice or quote that has been generated. For example, let's click here, and you can see a preview of that quote down here. Let's open this up in a large screen. And that's going to open up the quote or invoice in a Google document. Okay, let's jump back to Sheetify Bookkeeping and let's click on this quote here. Now let's say we've just generated this quote. And again, there are 2 ways you can quickly generate a quote or invoice. You can click on an existing row of data, navigate up to Sheetify, quotes, and we can create a new quote with data. If I click here, that's going to open a pre-filled quote, click OK, and that's going to take you to Google Forms, where you can add your quote details. This is a quote we've just duplicated, so we can change the details if we want, and then click on Submit to generate that quote. Okay, let's jump back to Sheetify Bookkeeping. Now we can also jump over to Setup and locate quotes and invoices. So here we have invoice settings and quote settings under quote folder URL or invoice folder URL. This is where you can see all your generated invoices, and again, down here, all your generated quotes. Then if you want to open up the form to generate a new invoice or quote, simply click here to open up the form for either invoices or quotes. Okay, let's jump back over to quotes. And now with this quote generated, what we can do is navigate up to Sheetify, quotes, and we can send quote to email. And that's going to send the quote to the customer's email. And you can see the customer's email over here. Click on send quote to email. You'll see this pop up, send quote to, and this is the customer's email, yes. And you can see quote sent to customer email, 1 has been sent. Click on OK. And you can see that quote has changed to orange. And you'll notice the different color codes. If we jump into quotes down here, orange means you've sent the quote, and yellow means you've converted the quote into an invoice. Similar to invoices, orange means you've sent the invoice to email, and green means invoice data has been sent to income. Again, we can jump over to invoices and you can see those colors here. So these 2 invoices have already been sent to the customer. We can simply click Sheetify, invoices, and copy invoice data to income, meaning that invoice has been labeled as paid. Okay, so let's jump back over to quotes and let's preview the email, and let's preview the email that we sent to our customer. You can see the email here, quote from Sheetify CRM. You can see the subject and body, quote from Sheetify CRM, the body text, and then the PDF down here of the quote. Pretty cool, huh? Okay, let's navigate back to Sheetify Bookkeeping. Let's say the customer responded and said, yep, I'm happy with that quote. What we can do is convert that into an invoice. Simply click on any of these items, this row, navigate up to Sheetify, quotes, and convert quote to invoice. Click on OK, and that's going to take you to this new invoice form. If all the details are the same with the quote that you want to convert into an invoice, you can leave it as it is, or you can simply add your details in here. For example, maybe I'm changing the price to $500 for this item. Let's navigate down and click on Submit, and just like that, we've converted the quote into an invoice. Jump back over to Bookkeeping, close out of this, and you can see that has changed to yellow, this quote. Again, we have the color code in the menu, we converted, so that has now been labeled as yellow. Now if we jump over to invoices, you can see that invoice down here that we just converted from a quote. Now what we can do as part of this workflow is simply navigate up to Sheetify, invoices, and we can send the invoice to email. Again, that's going to instantly send that invoice to the customer's email. Now you can also highlight multiple For example, let's say I wanted to send 3 invoices. Again, you can highlight any of these rows, it doesn't matter. Then navigate up to Sheetify, Invoices, Send invoice to email. And you'll see this option 3 times. Send invoice to this email, yes, and one more time, yes. I'm sending 3 invoices to the same email because you can see the customer's email is the same down here, yes. And you can see invoice sent to customer email, 3 sent. And those 3 invoices have changed to orange, meaning we've sent those emails. Let's click on OK and preview what that email looks like. Here we have the invoice from Sheetify CRM. Hey Stu, please see the invoice attached. If you have any questions, please let me know. And then the customer can download this PDF invoice. And you can see the invoice here. Pretty cool, huh? Okay, let's close out of this. Now, when sending the email from Sheetify Bookkeeping, you can choose the name you want to add here, as well as customize the subject text as well as the body text. To do that, jump back into Sheetify Bookkeeping, then simply navigate over to Setup, navigate across to Invoice and Quote Setup, and down here we have Sender Name. You want to add your name in here as well as email, and then we can pull in the client's first name. We have the invoice email settings. So the email I just showed you, you can customize the subject as well as the body here. And the client name is a shortcode which will pull in the client's name associated to the invoice or quote. Again, we have quote settings, change the subject as well as the body if you like. Okay, let's jump back over to invoices. And now let's say that this invoice here has been paid. So what we want to do is send this data over to our income sheet. To do that, navigate up to Sheetify, Invoices, and then this green option here, copy invoice data to income. And that's going to take you straight here and add that new line item within the income sheet. As you can see, the date is added, the date the invoice has been sent here, the invoice ID, the item, product, or service. In our case, if we're sending invoice data here, that's going to send the account name. Then we have category. This is for reconciliation. This is in-person service, for example. The amount, as well as tax. And then notes over here are the items listed on the invoice. And again, all this data will flow through to your different dashboards, like monthly dashboard, annual, 5-year dashboard, custom dashboard, comparison dashboard, sales tax, balance sheet, and P&L profit and loss statement. So again, with our invoice and quote generator, we can create a new invoice with data. We can then send the quote to the customer's email. And once that quote has been approved, we can convert the quote to an invoice. Then within invoice, we can send the invoice to the customer's email. And then once that invoice has been paid, we can copy the invoice data over to income and then reconcile that transaction. Pretty cool, huh? Now, if we jump back over to invoices, what we can also do is highlight any of these rows in invoices or quotes. So as you can see, I've highlighted these 2 invoices. Then we can navigate up to Sheetify, Invoices, and I can also reset invoice row to white. And that's just going to clear the colors. This is essentially if you just want to reset the color for any reason, you can do that. However, that is everything I wanted to cover today. If you have any questions about our new updates, make sure to pop them down below in the description. Again, if you're completely new to our Sheetify Bookkeeping Toolkit and the quote and invoice generator, I will add those 2 dedicated tutorials down below in the description. Again, if you enjoyed this video, make sure you leave a like and subscribe, and that way I'll see you in the next video. Take care, everyone.